Hey everyone, this is a Versus X free video. No Versus information at all because I can't get to the Versus. Let me just, yeah, that's snow and I can't seem to get to my motorcycle or even my boat really. So instead, we're going to talk about a common problem that I have in the winter time with my 1-ton Chevy Silverado. Now this is a good truck for the most part, but like with any vehicle, there are a few little things that are annoying. And this particular day, we're going to address the latch. So you pull this latch, right? And the door opens. Well, these things are very brittle when it gets cold. And I don't know, in the last 4 years, I think I've replaced this 3 times. It gets cold, you come out, you're in a hurry, because if you're not in a hurry, you remember to put a hand here and pull on the latch, right? So that you're not actually putting any pressure on the latch. But you get you get in a hurry, you come out, and you just pull on the latch to open the door because you want to get to work, and it breaks because it's brittle and it's cold. So then you've got to reach around inside and use the interior latch, which fortunately seems to be fairly durable. What we're going to do today is replace this handle that I've replaced 3 times already with this chrome plus texture handle. This is supposed to be made out of metal, and we're about to find out. So this, the latch piece that keeps breaking over and over, is metal on this one. I've never seen it break on the plastic part here. So I'm hoping that by replacing the latch with this chrome plated metal one, that I won't have to do this again. Pretty easy job. Be even faster if I had grabbed my power drill, but it's over in the shed and I'd have to shovel to get to it. But there are just 2 screws, and I'm using a 5/16 Allen wrench to take these out. Come on out of there. That's right. So here you can see the crack where it broke, and this is pretty common, but there's not much to these latches. So we just have to slip the new one in, hopefully lining everything up right the first time. Let's see. Oh, I got the wrong side. Helps if you get the correct side. All right. So, just going to line that up. See how much easier it goes when you've got the driver's side on the driver's side. Now, can you start it straight? It's been a little uncooperative. Oh, I see. This one is angled over just a tiny bit. All right, so we got that. We got them both started. Get the Allen wrench back out. So I'm going to go do the other side. I've never had to replace that one because the passenger door obviously doesn't get used as often as the driver's side door. But it's the same procedure, 2 little bolts, and pop the new one in. And there's only one to choose from, so I'm sure I'll get the right one this time. And come back in a few years, hopefully, and find out that they're still working. Have a good day.